Welcome to the channel. Very quick video today to talk about buying cheap, buying twice. So moral of the story here is definitely the buy cheap, buy twice. Today we're looking at a Scorpion decat pipe for an R56 Mini Cooper S. Reason for buying this exhaust now is due to previously having a Chinese version. So this one is not a Scorpion, this is a Malian stainless steel decat pipe R56 Mini. First sort of observations when I got the cheap one, it's about £90 on eBay versus £157 for the Scorpion equivalent. Was the fit wasn't particularly great. The brackets on the bottom there, which bolt onto the block, weren't quite in the right orientation, so I had to remove the not use those brackets. The holes in the flange here were slightly small, so the thread, the stud sticking out the turbo was really difficult to get aligned and get those on properly, which I've noticed on the Scorpion are slightly larger. But the biggest problem was this crack that formed in the downpipe after only a few thousand miles of driving. So the weld's cracked. Took about 2,000 miles, as I say, if that, maybe 1,000 miles. Started getting a bit of a noisy exhaust. Investigated, and lo and behold, that's what we were confronted with. So not great. The angles are slightly different to the Scorpion, so I'm very interested to see how well the Scorpion fits the car. As you can see, it's a completely different animal, much better fit quality. Diameter of the piping is slightly larger to suit the challenge spec exhaust I've got. The holes in the flange are larger, so that should make it easier to get onto the threads on the studs. Neat welds, better angles, that should fit the bracket onto the block, whereas the other one, like I say, is all over the place, so it didn't fit. If you put them side by side, you can see it's a completely different shape. So I'm hoping that this is going to much better fit. So can't really see, very difficult with the camera, but you can see there's a slightly different kink there, and then the length here is different again. So hopefully from that point to the actual flange it should meet, because that was difficult to very difficult to seal. A real challenge to seal that to the rest of the exhaust on the Chinese variant. So I'm hoping that this one will be a much easier fit and a better seal. So we'll see. Hopefully it won't be too loud with the with the rest of the challenge exhaust on. It is a road car, but we shall see. Cheers guys.